Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a review of what I got at the children's place. And also I'm going to do a review of one of my sister's friend got me some jewelry. And then my sister said to give her, because she wants me to give her stuff. And I will do that after I'll do that. And then I'm going to do the review of the children's place after the jewelry. Okay, so move this ball away. She's got me this. It's made in Korea. I think, yeah. Let's see. It's a picture of a stocking. It's a necklace. See? Yeah, it's pretty. And then this one's made in Korea too. It's a crown. It's really pretty. And then this is the most prettiest one I ever got. Made in Korea. It's a Hello Kitty in a taxi. And it's in here. It's cute. It says taxi on top. And the last thing I love is this. Cute, huh? I've gotten this thingy. It's pretty. I'll hang it in my room. It has a dress, a tutu, and a little place to stand on. So that's all she gave me. I'll let you guys see it again. She got me this stocking. She's got me this crown. She got me this crown. She got this taxi in the Hello Kitty. And this. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got at the children's place. We just went here today. My sister bought me this. Oh, and thanks for buying the jewelry. I'll say that again at the last time. This is a aquaish color jeans, but on the camera looks like dark blue. But it's actually really light greenish bluish. Here's how the back pocket looks like. It is jeggings. It's size 6 extra large. Jeggings. Okay, let me try to freshen that up. Okay. And I got this at the children's place again. This is how it looks like. So this. Okay. Next thing what I got to me are this jean. Again, since I'm running out of jeans. This is how the back pocket looks like. 6 skinny. It's the size 6 again. Children's place. Okay, won't do that. So it looks like. I know you guys can't see it. But it's not sure. Okay. Also, what I've got. Okay, let me get these two out. Now I've got this tank top. It's blue and has polka dots. So it's size medium for myself. Let's that out. Size medium. That's how it looks. That's what I've got. Tank top. And I have another tank top, but different color and not polka dots. It's just light pink. Size medium again. Okay. So this is it was $7.95. Okay, and this one more on this uniform skirt. I did not buy the shirt because I didn't need the shirt. It's size 6 again. $14.95. The uniform skirt. I like how it's like this, but you guys can't see it. I won't focus. Like this. It's kind of stretchy, but tight more. And that's what's all I've got. Really much what's all I got today at the children's place. We went to Justice and all looked around for something, but we said that there was really nothing. So we had to go to the children's place to get something instead. So that's what we chose, and we chose all of this. And thanks for buying me the jewelry, and I will make a review of the clothes you got me. And I know some don't fit me, but a lot of them does fit me, so thanks for getting me all that stuff. And I'm wearing one of her shirts. It's a tank, like a shirt that needs to be a tank top under, like this, and it's shape of heart. I got a tank top under. See? And yeah, that's what's all I've gotten at the children's place. And yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching. Again, thanks for buying me the jewelry. It's really pretty, and I did make the review. Thanks for buying me all this stuff, and I hope you like this video. So anyways, thanks for watching. Bye!